Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builders Supply, and this video is to bring you a closer look at the Bobrick number 3706-250. This is a coin conversion kit for converting the 3706 series item to a free conversion. And when you get the package, you're going to get 2 napkin and 2 tampon bezels in this gray color. You're going to get 2 more. They're identical, except that the color is this light gray color. Why get 4? Well, I didn't know either. I figured that there were different colors for them available, and that is correct. The reason there are different colors available is because the difference is between the Contura series, that would be the dark model, and the trimline or classic, that would be the light model. You can see that from the link below this video to the cut sheet, and you'll see which is which. The customer service rep at Bobrick just said, you know what, we found that when we sent them, people were like, oh, the color's wrong, or it doesn't match. So what they decided to do was send all of them. So you're paying for 4. You're going to need 2. Save the other 2. You never know. Color might be less important than something just simply not working. So this would be used. The 3706-250 is used to convert the operation of the 3706 to a free operation. Okay. That is going to allow you to be compliant with any sort of obligation that you have to provide that, to provide the napkin and tampon materials in a free scenario. Okay, academic schools, I think that's where that's going to be the case. So there's also listed below this video, and this will come with instructions for conversion, and then instructions for bezel assembly. The instructions for conversion permit you to change in the field the coin mechanism really to any denomination by modifying it right exactly there in the field. And we won't beleaguer the points of how to do that, but it will include the necessary parts, including the Pall that they refer to. Remove ratchet Pall. So this Pall is included, and Pall is a term that is used in like linkages between a lock and the actuating device. So they've got that listed there as a requirement. Let's take a closer look at that. And they don't call it a Pall, but they call it a free vend lever. That would be in step 3. So you're going to remove the Pall and its extension spring, remove the machine screw and the damper gear rack that's listed there, shown in the drawing. And there is a link below this video to those documents. It's one thing to look at it on paper. The good thing about the document in the site is that you can make it quite large and drill in and see it very accurately so you know what you're dealing with. And then you basically take the free vend lever, which is included, and install it where the damper gear rack in Figure 1 has been removed. Hand tab of damper gear rack must face the magazine in Figure 1B1, and then you reinstall that same screw, okay, even though they've got a couple of screws included with that. So that'll be the mechanical portion that you need to undergo. Then, of course, the instructions for bezel assembly are also listed down below this video. And that's quite simple and straightforward. You've got 3 screws that operate each unit, or that hold each unit in. It certainly appears that they're all the same screw. The package is indeed all of the same screw, and they do send you plenty for everything that you need. You need 3 per bezel. And that's what it is. Converting from one denomination to another, 25, 50 cent, or free. Very typical and common, and it's really great that they've been able to make it as pain-free to do so in the field. replacing complete units outright. I don't recall a time when that was required, but changing coin mechanisms was absolutely a one-time required, and that's no longer exactly the case. A couple of dimensional properties of the bezel just to help you determine if this is correct. I've never seen anyone else's bezel that looks like this. About 4 1/4 on the overall diameter. Yep. Overall thickness at its thickest point where the button is pushing 1 inch. Typical sort of material. The head of that is obviously modified so that it will take no denomination whatsoever. Okay. Finally, there is a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the Bobrick products that we sell, but also a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog. I'm a fan of Bobrick in the sense that their name is certainly synonymous with all things Division 10 or commercial restroom equipment related. It's very, it certainly is difficult to purchase this material and not run across their name. They've got a good quality product. I believe that they charge for that good quality product, but you cannot say that they don't have a good quality product. At least in my experience, I can't say it. Finally, there's a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the Bobrick products that we sell, as I mentioned earlier, a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as all of the Bobrick products that we have listed in the site. Also, what I'm trying to say is their product catalog is also listed there. Older versions of it, encyclopedic documents such as parts manuals are also listed there. This is the Bobrick 3706-250 conversion to free for their napkin tampon dispenser. 3706 or any other Bobrick product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.